Most service business owners think more calls automatically mean more bookings, but that is exactly why they struggle to grow. Here's the truth no one tells you. Sales is not about convincing people, it is about guiding the right customers through a simple process. In this video, you will learn the best sales strategy for service businesses that want more bookings in 2026. You will see how to turn inquiries into paying customers consistently, how to avoid losing leads, and how to build a simple system that closes more jobs without pressure selling. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the one mistake that silently destroys most service business sales. Let's start with the core idea. A sale in a service business happens in 3 steps. First contact, trust building, and closing. If any step is weak, you lose the job. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most business owners rush straight to pricing. That is why customers disappear. People do not buy the cheapest option. They buy the one they trust fastest. First step is first contact. This is where speed matters the most. If a customer messages you and you reply late, you already lost a big chance. For example, Jake, a plumber in Dallas, doubled his bookings just by replying within 5 minutes instead of a few hours. But here's the problem. Fast replies without structure still do not convert. So second step is trust building. This is where most people fail. You do not need long explanations. You need clarity. Simple sentences like what you do, how fast you respond, and what customers can expect. John, a handyman in Miami, improved his conversions just by sending a simple message like, "I can help with that today." Here is how the process works. I will check the issue, give you a clear price, and start right away if you approve. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. Customers feel safe when they understand the process clearly. In a minute, I'll show you how small changes in your closing message can turn hesitant customers into confirmed bookings. Third step is closing. This is where most sales are lost. People either over-explain or pressure customers. Both reduce trust. Instead, use simple closing language. For example, I can schedule you for today at 3 p.m. or tomorrow morning. What works better for you? This gives choice without pressure. Now let's talk about follow-up. Most service businesses lose money here. Customers often do not respond immediately. If you do not follow up, they forget you. A simple follow-up message after a few hours or the next day can recover many lost bookings. Something like, "Just checking if you still need help. I have a slot available if you want it." Now, imagine this. A customer contacts you. You reply fast. You explain clearly. You offer simple options. Even if they hesitate, your follow-up brings them back. That is a complete sales system. So, here is the takeaway. The best sales strategy is not about pressure. It is about speed, clarity, and simple follow-up. When you remove confusion, customers book faster. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more practical strategies that help you get more bookings and grow your service business with confidence.